for this honor tonight. We, the Tweed Mayardit of Canada, on our behalf and on behalf of Canadian Tweed Mayardit back home, we brought you sign of peace, unity, and prosperity. You have spoken tonight, Tweed Mayardit of America. You've restored our hope. You are the hope of all of us. As you have seen tonight, you have shown it by reinstating and bringing stability back to Tweed Mayardit. You are the model that we all like to follow wherever we are. What happened last night discouraged us greatly, and the message that we are going to take home wasn't going to be good. But tonight you have shown that you are a great nation. As United States is the leader of the world, you have taken that model. So by reinstating Mabit, Tweed Mayardit, sometimes we undermine the psyche of humanity. In hope lies survival of human being. Had you not reinstate Mabit tonight, you would have killed him. Because his hope lies on what he is willing to do. We had the same situation in Canada, and I hope, Mabit, you are not going to disappoint us. One of our presidents was brought to the leadership of Tweed Mayardit in order to restore the hope. But unfortunately, our Tweed Mayardit is never the same again. We have fallen apart. But tonight, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for showing us that example that we will not regret that we have come tonight. For the few differences that have happened regarding the treatment of some of our people here, we understand that part of human. I would like to give a chance to Awel.
I would prefer to give it to Penyalong. Penyalong enough than 2 minutes.
Blocking the views of this beautiful